How to recover a suspended Instagram account. If your account has been suspended, don't worry, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. Instagram can suspend accounts for various reasons, including violating community guidelines, terms of services, or even by mistake. Let's go through the process of recovering your account. First, check the email or notification from Instagram to understand why your account was suspended. Knowing the reason can help you determine the next step. Now, if you believe your account was suspended by mistake, you can appeal the decision. Open your web browser and go to the Instagram Help Center by typing help.instagram.com. Now, once you're on the Help Center page, search for My Instagram account was deactivated and click on the article. Now, scroll down and find the Let Us Know link, which will take you to the appeal form. Now, fill out the appeal form with accurate information including your full name, your Instagram username, and email address. In the description box, explain why you believe your account was suspended by mistake and assure them you will follow the community guidelines moving forward. After filling out the form, submit it and wait for a response from Instagram. This may take a few days, so be patient and check your Instagram email regularly for any updates. If Instagram requests additional information, respond promptly. Be honest and detailed in your communication to increase the chances of recovering your account. And that's it. I hope this video helps you recover your suspended Instagram account. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.